Why do people keep buying Walker mowers? With so many options on the market, there has to be a reason. To find out, we talked to the expert.
Just unloaded this new C23i. We're just out here having a look, taking a look at it, going over the specs and features. Those of you that aren't familiar with the C23i, it's a fairly new model in the Walker lineup. They've had the Model C for years, but recently went through some pretty significant updates, including going to a 13.25-inch blower housing versus the Model T over here is our flagship model. The Model T retains a 10.5-inch blower. The Model C going to the 13.25 is a huge upgrade. It might not sound like much, but what that equates to is basically more efficient mowing, mowing at faster ground speeds without the mower plugging up. Particularly in wet grass, heavy grass conditions, a little bit longer, we're going to be sure to keep that grass flowing into the catcher. Today we got it paired with a 48-inch grass handling deck and a 10-bushel hopper. This particular unit has the comfort seat and the low profile tires on it. Just a really nice, well-rounded package.
The C23i has become one of Walker's most popular models, and it highlights everything Walker owners appreciate.
Just unloaded this baby out of the trailer, and we're going to take a look at the new 13.25-inch blower that Walker put in this unit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this baby up and take a look. So we'll flip open the 10-bushel hopper. We're going to flip open the body. Traditionally, the C in the past has been a one-piece body. When they did this significant update, they went back to the clamshell, similar to the Model T right here behind me. The one notable thing about this tractor is they've gone to 13.25-inch blower housing. On our Model T and predecessors, we were running a 10.5-inch blower. On the new updates to the Model C, they went to a 13.25-inch blower, which is absolutely incredible as far as the amount of suction that it produces. Another nice thing that they did is they actually developed a pivoting jack shaft assembly. So in the past, in order to remove a blower out of one of these machines, you physically had to take it out the bottom. So what this allows us to do is this allows us to access our blower housing, check our maintenance, get to our belts, flip the jack shaft out of the way, and we can actually remove the blower housing out of the tractor simply by doing that. So huge, advantageous upgrade as far as maintenance goes. And again, this is the absolute awesome performing machine.
But performance is only part of the story.
We're getting ready to mow the grass here, and I just wanted to go ahead and check the blades, see how things are looking, make sure everything's healthy. We're just going to go through the simplicity of the Walker mower and how we can do that. So in order to check the blades or lift the deck up for any sort of maintenance reasons, we're going to pop out these two pins on the side. We're going to prepare our deck for lifting by lifting this latch there, pick up on it, drop it in, and we're done. So now we have the ability to check the conditions of our blades, torque our blade nuts, check our shear bolts, make sure our deck doesn't have a bunch of buildup in it, and we're ready to mow. So now everything's okay. We either got our blades sharp changed or checked out. We're gonna drop it back down. Release the latch, set the deck down, a little bit of wiggle there, and we're ready to mow.
And that brings us to the biggest reasons people buy Walker.
I often get asked, why somebody would buy a Walker in general over a competing product. And this goes for all Walker products, not just the C23i, but this mower in particular has got a sweet spot in my heart. The big thing here is, Walkers are fast, they're easy, and they're beautiful. They make fast work of obstacles and things of that nature. When you're trimming around flagpoles, you're trimming around concrete edging, trimming around trees, things of that nature. The control that a Walker gives you is really second to none. The second thing is easy. Okay, so this thing is extremely easy to maintenance. We can easily pick up on the hopper. We can easily access everything, our belts, our battery, our hydrostatic transmissions. Everything is right here, easy to work on. Most of our belts you can change without tools. It's just a simple, easy mower to operate and to work on. And then the last thing is beautiful. Walker really has a beautiful cut. There's several reasons for that, and depending on what model you're working with, those reasons might change a little bit, but the overall consensus is real. Walker has the most beautiful cut in the industry.
At the end of the day, Walker's reputation is not built on a single feature. The combination of performance, ease of maintenance, and usability keeps people coming back. So why do you think customers are so loyal to Walker?